Hey style friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sonya Lynn, and in today's video we're going to be making over the front porch. We're going to do it a little different today. For those of you who don't like a lot of color, we are going to have a neutral palette, and we're still going to keep it refreshing, relaxing, very classy. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, I've already hung the wall art to save a little time. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, of course, and I hung this one up here and it fell. So it's a little bent there, and I'm gonna probably take some time out later to fix that though. So I purchased two of them here, and I usually add try to add metal wall art outside because it lasts longer, and I just can't see myself adding like beautiful like pictures out here. But so this here, guys, and then I also purchased this as well from Hobby Lobby as well. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, this rug here I got from Amazon. It's actually two-toned. It has a black side here, and it also has the white side. Well, I think I'm gonna use the white side today, and it's just a 5x7 rug. I purchased off of Amazon, I think for less than $40. Might have been cheaper than that, but I'm not sure. I did purchase it from Amazon, so I'm gonna just use this here 5x7 rug, and then hold the furniture that I want. Now the rug is a more modern look, and that's the look that I was actually going for. And this wicker set here, I've been having this for about 9 years or so, guys, and I love it. It's held up. I do remember I purchased it from Wayfair, so it's been holding up for a long time, and it is covered. It's normally covered as well. So guys, now that we've got our furniture all set up, I'm gonna add two black planters that I purchased from Wayfair a couple years ago. They're pretty solid. I'm gonna add them here for a little privacy and to block some of the sun that's hitting directly here. Okay, now that I've had to fight some trees, I did add brick to these to hold it down some because of the wind, guys. But these are pretty solid, and I'm just gonna move them forward a little bit. And I added the Majesty palm trees in there as well. And guys, I'm gonna add this monstera plant here. It's artificial, and this basket here I bought from the at-home store. So I want to place this right here on the corner end right here. And I just love how that actually looks. I like it exactly just like that, to be honest with you guys. So here, guys, I'm just re-stenciling my welcome board because it was looking raggedy. I added gold trim as well, and I'm gonna add a new stencil right here, spray painted white here, just to kind of refreshen it up and make it look brand new again. Okay guys, now that we got everything, all our greenery set up over there, we're gonna focus on the front entryway, the door here. And I'm gonna, the DIY welcome board that I made, I'm gonna place that right here because it's long and it's slim and it can fit right here. It's kind of tall too, so you can still see it as well. And the board, guys, I just pretty much added the gold trim here and did stenciling, updated the stenciling. I repainted it as well, but it's tall right here, so I think it would fit perfectly right here in this corner. And this is a planner that I actually also did in gold trim right here. I'm gonna just place that right here. I don't like too much at the front door because I have people coming in and out. It's just not me who live here. And so I don't like a lot at the front door. So I'm just placed that right there. And of course, I'm just gonna add this black rug right here. And I'm gonna put another rug on top of it. I always like to use 2 rugs. This is a bigger black rug here. I'm trying to keep the colors neutral toned down, black, whites, browns. So I'm adding this rug here. I'm sorry, let me show you guys. This says home. I'm adding this rug on top of the black rug right here. And guys, this is just a wreath that I use throughout the year. I just add pops of color to it. I'm really not a wreath maker. My mom is definitely a wreath maker, but I just typically just add pops of color here. And that's the only thing that I do with this throughout the year. I add different colors in here. I've added hot pink and blue, and the blue works really well up against this green as well. So I just added some stems in here to bring out the white over here, so it won't just be so black and white, guys. So guys, that white, I'm loving the white. I'm so glad I switched out to a more neutral color, because throughout the year I change so much with like different colors. The white has worked for me because it's more neutral, and I can put pretty much of just about any color with the color white. So I'm so glad I purchased these covers that I can actually just, if I want to change the colors of the cushions, I could, but I'm just really loving the white covers that I purchased from Amazon. And now guys, I'm just adding this table. Instead of putting the table on the side back here, I'm actually going to place it right here because it's it's still accessible. If I'm sitting down right here, I can still sit my drink or read my book right here. So I'm gonna place that table there, and I have another one I'm gonna place over here as well. Okay, and guys, so now that we have our tables in place, our wall art up, our sofa and cushions, the rug is in place, now we're going to be adding our lighting. And I have 2 chandeliers, and I have some lanterns too that I'm going to add. And after the lanterns, guys, we're going to add the trays and the pillows to define the whole look and the whole space. And guys, this is a chandelier that I purchased from Amazon. I purchased one a few years ago, and I could never find what I wanted to do with the chandelier. So now I've decided to purchase another one. Instead of hanging baskets with flowers, I'm gonna do these 2 chandeliers here as well. They're beautiful. They have battery operated candles inside of here, and I'm just gonna place them up here. So guys, now I'm just placing the lanterns here. I want one to go right here for some light here. And I purchased this was at Home Store last year, and I believe it was only about $10.99, guys, because some of the basket weaving was torn, and I just glued it back together. So I got a discount, guys. And I'm also going to be placing this lantern here also. It's tall, and I just added some river rocks, and I'm gonna place that right here, guys, for just a little light here. So guys, this is my favorite part because I think the pillows always will define the space and just bring the look together all together. So as I've stated before, I only buy pillowcases, guys. I use old pillows, and I have so many pillowcases, guys, for all seasons, all colors, guys. And so here, if you just want a black and white look, guys, this will look good here. Just the black and white look if you want to do that as well. But you know me, I like to add a little spice to the flavor, to the space, guys. So I'm gonna add leopard pillows. Now you see, guys, I told you I kept it neutral. I have this here, these two leopard pillows here. Doesn't that look good up against the black, the white, everything contrasts? You have your darker sofa, your lighter cushions, and then you have a warm color here with a brown, and I'm gonna just add this over here as well. And I didn't want too much in the middle, guys, so I just like this little pillowcase here that I got. Has a like little leather-like strip of brown right down the middle, guys. So yeah, guys, so I think now it's time for the final reveal, guys. And that concludes our front porch makeover. If you like what you've seen here on Style Spaces by Sonya Lynn, please like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you more designing spaces. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.